Day after day I'm so fed up with this ear grating noise. I wanna shut it down. Ah, geez, that sound, I'm getting sick of it. Seriously, no way. That for real? Siri, if that's nuts, are you insane? There's always tomorrow. Use your brain. I know I'm about to cross the line. Wait a sec, are you serious saying you don't realize that is the loudest noise? Do you? Let's trash all this choking smoke together. Doing that thing again today after day. Don't you ever get bored? Copy and paste, mass produce smiles. Every last one of you is fake, just surface style. Turn on the TV, faces I hate to see. It's the same everywhere. Have no pride, you lie. Living just for someone's like, hey, 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 hey. Can't survive without a her. Striking, bossy poses, causing friction just for show. Wait a sec, are you serious saying you don't realize that is the loudest noise? Do you? Let's trash all this choking smoke together. Yeah, save the sermon for later. Shutting down the grating noise, pride, common sense. Don't push your hand-me-downs on me. Am I crazy? Actually, I'm sane. It's my turn to drive you crazy. Better get ready. Wait a sec, are you serious saying you don't realize that is the loudest noise? Regarding your points for consideration. Yes, yes, please enlighten me. I just can't seem to understand. Yes, yes, so sorry about that. Please, right this way to the exit.